Hey love, it's Rowan here with Punk Rock Hoops. We wanted to talk to you a little bit about utility belts. My sister gave me one of these clapper roll call things, so we'd like to use it to tell us where we're going and kind of plan out our little video for you. So here's how it started. We have this huge camp called Hottie Hoop Camp. This is us this year for 2018. About 3 or 4 years ago, I really wanted to teach an altered couture project that focused on listening to ourselves and just being outwardly expressive of what was going on with us inwardly. But because I'm a practical gal, I wanted it to be a functional piece of artwork. This actually happened when I was talking to Marilee. She's like, there's only so much art you can hang up on the wall, right? And I was like, yeah, I want to make something cool and then like grow cucumbers or something on it. And then I was like, oh, hell yeah, I have this really great idea because I have this skirt that I bought from Risa Zachary Freeman, who's amazing, by the way. And she had a journal skirt. And I was like, we can do this and we'll make journal skirts at Hottie Hoop Camp. I mean, like, look at this. How cool is this? I mean, just it's bananas awesome. But two things got in the way. One was that hooping in a skirt, like, is not that super practical. And two, my spouse at the time was a gender blurred gentleman, and he said, you know, like, I'm not making a skirt. And I was like, yes, you're fucking wearing a skirt. And he's like, no, I'm not doing a skirt. And I was like so freaking pissed at him. Once I calmed down a little bit, I realized that this is an opportunity. Like, when a door shuts, a window's opening, and I needed to really start looking for the window. So I started hacking up some skirts, and behold, the idea of a utility belt. A utility belt. We could frame something and size it to people that creates pockets, and it could be as fancy as we wanted to. Or it could be really plain, you know, like over a skirt or those kind of like culotte flow pants that people are wearing. This is actually Brecken Rivera, who's one of the best hoopers I've ever met in my entire life. So thanks for being a good sport and putting this on for me. So seriously, what's so great about a utility belt, right? Okay, the first thing is it carries your stuff. When you're at a festival or you're like at a outdoor, like maybe art event or something, you can put your stuff in it and you don't have to put it down if you needed to stop and hoop because you've got your hoop, right? Or your bubble stuff or whatever. The second thing is that it keeps you minimalist. And third is it acts as a waistband for pockets, with pockets for t-shirt skirts. This is me at a parade looking not like I have my look down, but minimalist nonetheless, and this is right before I almost died from heat stroke. Not my best day. Okay, and the next thing is number 4 is if you're like a little bit of a magic mojo, good on that type person, then you can add a little mojo, and like this can also be like your magic spell belt. Woohoo! This project is going to rock your creative self, and it's going to blow people's mind. This is my friend Yet, actually, right here, and she has people all the time coming up and asking her, like, where did you make this, or who taught you this, or whatever. And look at that cute little Hottie Hoop camp tattoo she has on her thigh there. I just love her. This is me hooping hands-free with my utility belt. Looks pretty good there. You can also do a little impromptu belly dancing display like Miss Yet is here. See, look, she's hands-free, doing all that cool stuff, and keeping her utility belt looking awesome. Thanks, Yet. Here's the other thing. When you start wearing something that's made custom for you and is part of your look, it may feel cooler than you are initially, and that's okay. You're going to grow into it, and you just walk around not giving any fucks, okay? So let's start by making a list of things that you can do to start gathering up, okay? To get ready for making your utility belt, because it's going to be a several-step process. You're going to want to have 1 to 3 small denim skirts or short shorts. Like, think, you know, like the sluttiest of the sluttiest. And maybe it's something you used to wear that you grew out of, but you just love anyway. So we're going to need those. We're going to need some safety pins, some fabric scissors, needle and thread. If you have a sewing machine, this is a good time to get it out. The next video I'm going to make is going to be what stuff you absolutely need, what stuff is nice to have, and how to start piecing your skirt together. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can stay in the know when we publish new content for you. I want to say thanks again to my Vibe Tribe and to my Hottie Hoop campers and all the folks who have been with the punk rock hoops tribe this whole time. Thank you.